Over the years, likely without your conscious knowledge, you've adopted self-limiting beliefs that are quietly sabotaging your best efforts for personal growth. If you pay close attention to your self-talk, these beliefs will reveal themselves in the form of excuses. Truth be told, if you really want something, you'll find a way. If you don't, you'll find an excuse. And then you live with that excuse every day of your life. This is precisely what makes so many of us unhappy. It's never too late to live a life that makes you proud. It's never too late or too early to be who you are capable of being. There is no time limit. You can simply start and stop whenever you want. You can change or stay the same. You can make the best or the worst of it. It's up to you. So make the best of it. Do things that startle you. Feel things you've never felt before. Spend time with people who help you grow. Live a life you are proud of, and if you find that you are not, have the courage to make a change. Do your best and don't be afraid to make mistakes. If you're making mistakes, then you're making new things, trying new things, learning, living, pushing yourself and changing yourself. We can't make anything valuable without making mistakes. If you wait until you have it all figured out to try, you'll be waiting forever. Don't be scared to step out of line. It's okay to go off the beaten path, as long as you know why going a different way is right for you. Some people may resent the freedom that you create in your life when you choose to be true to yourself. If you come across these people, ignore them and carry on. Only when you require no approval from outside yourself, you can own yourself. If you are being true to yourself and it isn't enough for the people around you, change the people around you. Almost everything worth doing is hard. Think about it. When was the last time easy had a huge payoff for you? In life, the hardest thing and the right thing are often the same thing. You can't underestimate a person who always works hard. Be that person. Because you don't get what you wish for, you get what you work for. Everything will be okay in the end. If it's not okay, it's not the end. We've all gone through some hard times, and you personally will likely go through more hard times in the future too. But it's worth it. It builds character and teaches necessary lessons. So when things seem like they're impossible, or you feel like you're never going to feel better, just know that you'll eventually look back in amazement at how far you've come. Good luck to you.